you can add in just the children's names and kind of just take turns. Like, let's pretend we've got a child called Lily. Kari kari kiri kiri taku dai e, kimi hia he kai e, he pipi ka pai e, mo te pukururi o Lily e.